Good morning, students. Jai Swaminarayan. Thought for the day is little progress in each day, you will get more or you will get big result. That means in every day you just progress, you just improve yourself in little bit and then you get a big result. Okay, students. That we started, we continue our that lesson, that is the how many square. Okay, in that page number 44, here one rectangle is given and that area of rectangle is a 20 square centimeter, and they are giving the some conditions of that with respect to that rectangle, and they are asking or they are asking to find the area of such rectangles. Okay, first one condition it is, if draw a one straight line in this rectangle to divide into two equal triangles, what is the area of each rectangle? Okay, suppose here I am drawing that is the rectangle with the 20 square centimeter area, and they are asking, they are telling to us draw in middle one. Middle means हमें क्या करना है, क्रॉस लाइन ड्रॉ करनी है. That cross line converted that rectangle into two equal triangles. Okay, and then find the area of each triangle. Okay, here area of rectangle is a 20 and area of triangle क्या आएगा, that means is the half of that area of rectangle. So half, it's a one half of 20, so it's a 10 square centimeter area of each rectangle, this one and this one. Got it? Second condition, draw one straight line in this rectangle to divide into two equal rectangles. What is the area of the similar smaller rectangles? Okay, they are saying that draw one straight line and that straight line convert that one rectangle into two equal rectangle. Okay, so two equal rectangle, that means both are having the equal area, and whole a big rectangle having the area it's a 20, so half of 20 it's again a 10 square meter of that area of each two rectangle. Is that clear, student? Third condition, they are saying that draw two straight lines in this rectangle. That means ऐसी दो लाइन ड्रॉ करनी है कि one part, half part of rectangle convert into the two triangles and half part it's a whole rectangle. So okay, and they are asking what is the area of rectangle. Area of rectangle is the half of big rectangle, so it's a 10 square centimeter, and area of each triangle, तो रेक्टेंगल का एरिया क्या है, ये हाफ का 10, and then again half of that means 1/2 multiplied by 10, so 2 ones are 2 5s are, that means each triangle, that triangles having the area it's a 5 square centimeter. Understood, students? Like that you have to solve. Okay, then they are giving up a one grid, and in that grid you just draw the different many shapes having a width 5 squares, and that answer of that question given in a next page. यहाँ पे already उन्होंने दिया है, and they how many shapes they are drawing, there are 12 shapes. Okay, and every shape having the 5 squares, that means area of that every shape it's a 5 square centimeter, and almost area of, you just count the, what is the parameter, parameter means what, it's a sum of all sides. Okay, and approximately every shape of that figure, of that grid is having the 12 square 12 centimeter. Okay, except that figure 2, that figure 2 having the 11, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Is that clear? That means that one shape, except that one shape only, it's a below 12. Got it, students? Just see that the question there, how many different shapes can you draw, you just count it, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12. How many shapes? It's a 12 shape. Which shape has the longest parameter and how much? Okay, longest parameter किसका होगा और उसका count करो. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. It's a 12. वन शेप, फर्स्ट वन शेप है, उसका पैरामीटर कितना है 12. विच शेप है द शॉर्टेस्ट पैरामीटर एंड हाउ मच. कितना है पैरामीटर इसका. सेकंड शेप हैविंग द शॉर्टेस्ट पैरामीटर सेकंड एंड हाउ मच. इसका 9 है एंड 12 माइनस 9 इट्स 3 centimeter. Got it? What is the area of such shapes? Every shapes. That's so simple because every shapes formed by the 5 squares. So every shapes having the same area. It's a 5 square centimeter. Is that clear? Then in next page they are giving draw all 12 shapes on the sheet of cardboard and cut them. You just doing that practice or game of that. ड्रॉ करो और कट करो. ट्राई टू अरेंज द 12 शेप्स इन अ सम अदर वे एंड टू मेक 10 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 6 रेक्टेंगल. कुड यू डू इट. हम सारे शेप्स को अरेंज करके 10 बाई 6 में अरेंज कर सकते हैं क्या. सो यस, हियर दे आर अरेंजिंग ऑल्सो दैट 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 10 6 are it's a 10 it's a 6. अगर हम ऐसे अरेंज करेंगे तो इस तरह का शेप हमें दिखाई देगा. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन आल्सो दे आर गिविंग द पजल 12 5s आर. उनको हमें मतलब दैट मीन्स जो नंबर ऑफ 12 5s आर रेक्टेंगल्स या इस शेप्स को 12 शेप्स को हम नंबर ऑफ वेज क्या कर सकते हैं, रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं. इट्स अ गेम टाइम. यू जस्ट रीड एंड डू. ओके, कम नेक्स्ट पेज, दैट इज द पेज नंबर 40. जीरी went to a shop and was surprised to see different design of the tiles on the floor. Aren't this beautiful? जीरी शॉप में जाती है, वहाँ पे डिफरेंट डिफरेंट टाइप्स के टाइल्स के पैटर्न्स देखे वो सरप्राइज हो जाती. ओके, एंड दे आर वेरी ब्यूटीफुल. शी जस्ट अमेज्ड. Can you find the tile which is repeated to make each of this floor pattern and circle the tile in each पैटर्न. ओके, आप इसमें ऑब्जर्व कर सकते हो दैट इज द फर्स्ट वन पैटर्न और सेकेंड वन पैटर्न. इंडिविजुअली हर एक टाइल्स को सेग्रीगेट कर सकते हो, आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हो दैट इज द फर्स्ट टाइल या दैट इज द सेकंड टाइल. नो, यू कांट. हियर यू कैन ऑब्जर्व बट हियर यू कांट. ओके, आफ्टर लुकिंग एट द पिक्चर जीरो वांटेड टू मेक हर ओन येलो टाइल. यू टू मेक दिस टाइल ऑल्सो. ओके, तो ये पैटर्न देख के जीरो को लगता है कि वन टाइल ऑल्सो मेक बाय herself only. तो एक टाइल लेती है, that tile having that cardboard paper having the side it's a 3 square centimeter and each side of that square is a 3 centimeter. तो फर्स्ट क्या करते हैं, ड्रॉ ट्रायंगल ऑन वन साइड ऑफ द स्क्वायर. क्या करते हैं, एक ट्रायंगल ड्रॉ करते हैं. आफ्टर ड्रॉइंग दैट ट्रायंगल ड्रॉ अनदर ट्रायंगल ऑफ द सेम साइज ऑफ अनदर साइड ऑफ द square, but this time draw it inside the square. You just fold it that and then remove it that. The cut this shape from the cardboard. उसको क्या किया, कट किया. Your tile is ready. मतलब झिरी की हुई जो टाइल थी उसका शेप क्या था, ऐसे था. Is that clear? And that joining of that shape it form that type of pattern of tiles. Okay, make a pattern using your tile. Trace the shape to repeat it on a page, but remember there must be no gaps between them. हमें याद रखना है कि हर एक टाइल्स के शेप में जो पैटर्न में उसमें गैप नहीं होना चाहिए. इज दैट क्लियर? आफ्टर ओपनिंग दैट जीडी मेड अ पैटर्न यूजिंग हर येलो टाइल्स. यू नो द एरिया ऑफ टाइल. व्हाट इज द एरिया ऑफ टाइल? एवरी tile having the how much side, it's a 3 square, it's once all sides are equal, so 12 3s are, it will be 36 centimeter. Question they are given, how many tiles has she used? उसने कितने tiles यूज की. ओके, you just count it that type of shape. ये जो शेप दिख रहा है मैंने अंडरलाइन किया है उसको काउंट कर. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 एंड 12. तो कितने टाइल्स यूज किए, 12 tiles. Okay, got it. Then what is the area of floor pattern Jire has made here? How many tiles used? 12. Each tile having how much side? It's a 3. So 12 3s are 36 square centimeter. practice time also is given. Jiri tried to make some other tiles. She started with a square of 2 square centimeter. उसने अभी जो टाइल्स ली उसके एरिया कितना था 2 सेंटीमीटर. साइड मेक शेप्स लाइक दिस A B C D. Look at this carefully and find out which of this shape will tile a floor without any gap. Discuss. ऐसी कौन सी टाइल है तो हमें लगता है कि उसमें बिल्कुल भी गैप नहीं, तो विच दैट इज द सी एंड डी हैविंग द नो गैप. अगर हम अरेंज करेंगे तो ये क्या हो जाएगा, इसमें इनक्लोज हो जाएगा. दैट मीन्स दे आर हैविंग द क्लोज शेप टू ईच अदर. हम उसमें अरेंज करेंगे तो गॉट इट, क्योंकि अनदर पार्ट ये यहाँ पे अरेंज हो जाएगा. एवरी ट्रायंगल हैविंग हियर आल्सो. डिस्कस व्हाट इज द एरिया ऑफ दिस शेप. उनका शेप कितना होगा, ईच हैविंग द 2 सेंटीमीटर साइड, तो 2 2s are and एरिया ऑफ स्क्वायर इट्स अ side multiply by side, it's a 2 multiply by 2 4 square centimeter. Like that also you have to form your own tile and find the pattern or rearrange that pattern. Is that clear, students? Like that our lesson, that is how many square, is completed here. Thank you.